Hey, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through some Isagenix shake recipes. I've been using these shakes for 11 years and I've helped over 22,000 people with this program. And over the years, we've come up with some really cool ideas. So let me just walk you through the basics. So first of all, the best shake that you want to be mixing a lot of these extras with is our kosher vanilla. It's that white creamy vanilla that is so light and so refreshing, and it's not spicy. If you want to buy some Isagenix shake, click the direct link down below and you can get a 25% discount on any of the shakes that I'm going to talk about today. So yeah, so your foundational shake is either going to be your chocolate shake, or I personally like over the years the white vanilla one, which is our kosher vanilla shake. 24 grams of protein, absolutely amazing. And once you have that, now you can add things in like fruit. You can add in strawberries, you can add in blueberries, and that white vanilla is just like gold. It's so delicious. So again, click down below if you want to order some of that kosher vanilla. It's my favorite one. The other thing you can mix with your vanilla, and my kids love this one, it's the lemon lime hydrate. So the hydrate is minerals, it's amazing, and it's so just nice and sweet in the shake. So you can do orange and grape, and you can flavor up a lot of your shakes with just the hydrate. I'll put another link down below, a direct link. You can get 25% off of that if you decide you want to spice it up. We do have our BCAAs, our branched chain amino acids. It's pink lemonade. And that product, the BCAAs, is also another hit with our kosher vanilla. All right, let's move to my personal favorite, your chocolate shake. So Isagenix chocolate shake standalone, hands down our #1 selling product of all time, the Isalean chocolate shake. But if you want to spruce it up, I know my twin sister, she's a die-hard chocolate girl, so she puts in just some real cocoa like Hershey's or whatever. And if you want to get your chocolate shake, click the direct link below to get your 25% off code. Anyhow, putting in a couple scoops of the cocoa makes it really rich and really dark. Now, the other option, one of our other personal favorites around here, is the mocha. This is my coffee. So you can take the coffee, blend it up. You can either take your leftover coffee from the morning, or you can put in some grounds, but I think I would make the coffee and pour it in, and you can make a beautiful chocolate mocha. Now, where's my peanut butter? That's the best. That's my standby favorite. And one of my daughters is take a scoop of almond butter or peanut butter and put it in with your chocolate. Guys, to die for. It's a little high on the calorie side. So if you're using Isagenix shakes to lose weight, I recommend you just have them with ice and water. They taste great just like that. But if you want to spruce it up, add in some peanut butter, add in a banana, and you'll have like a monkey protein shake. I was just in Mexico and they had these dirty monkey alcohol drinks, and we drank them for breakfast by the pool. And I came home and recreated it minus the alcohol with a banana, with some peanut butter and a little bit of cocoa in the chocolate shake. Freaking amazing. All right, what else? Vanilla. We have our French vanilla Isagenix shake, and the links are down below for that. And this is ground cinnamon. If you are like a spicy vanilla kind of person, you're gonna want the ground cinnamon in there. And you can also, with the vanilla shake, you could throw down some pure vanilla. You can buy organic, pure vanilla, a couple drops in there, and you're gonna love how it tastes. So guys, if you want more recipes, you can put everything in from, oh, here's another one. Our birthday cake shake and our strawberry shake, you now have a strawberry shortcake cake. So yeah, so our shakes stand alone on their own. We've got strawberry, vanilla, chocolate mint. Again, all the links are down below. You can buy them direct from the link. But if you want to mix flavors, like sometimes I'll put a scoop of chocolate and a scoop of vanilla and a little hint of strawberry, and it's like a Neapolitan. Guys, these stand alone, but if you want to add in some cocoa, some cinnamon, some peanut butter, you can do that. When I first started, I actually threw an Oreo cookie in just to get my kids to drink them. So guys, you can do them for the kids too. You can spice them up. It's great nutrition for the whole family. Lots of protein, minerals, probiotics, prebiotics, everything that you need. So click the link down below to order yours, get your discounted code, and let me know your favorite recipes in the comments. Subscribe for more videos on Isagenix and all things mindset, manifestation, and transforming your health. Thanks.